Good evening, my beautiful people. Good evening, good evening. Welcome back to another video. This evening I'm gonna do some pine juice, but I'm gonna set it up a little different, Cause I'm a fruits man, so I use all type of fruits and make juice, This evening I have some grape here. I don't know if all you guys know tangerine. I have tangerine right here. I'm gonna use them with the pine. I have ginger. It's my 2 pine here. Alright, so stay with me. Watch what's going on, alright? Put my grape over here. I'm gonna carry my dish here to put my pine in. And I move my ginger over there. Tangerine over there. Then I'm gonna get the pine started over here. First and foremost, cut off the head of it. Alright. Then this pine is not so good now, so I'm gonna use half of it. Overripe. Whoa, look at it, people. Overripe. Man. That's so boys I can't get any of it. I can't get any of it. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Man, you saw it still, people? It's still another day. It's spoiled. So I decided I'm gonna make juice with it, alright? I'm not gonna waste it. Okay. Not gonna waste my pine, people. Too expensive at the store. Besides, I'm gonna make some juice. Put it in the container here. Pine overripe, people. Yep. You can see, I only get half of that pine. Hopefully this one is okay. Alright. I'm gonna get this one peel up as well. Yes, this one look like it's solid. All-purpose kitchen love fruit juice, people. Natural fruit juice. I use no sugar. Just blend fruits. All fruits, you know what I mean? Put every fruits together and blend it and drink it, people. Good vitamin C, that, alright? So you know the thing go. Just stay with me to the end. I'm already telling us that this juice not gonna normal, because guess what? It's grape, it's tangerine. And if you guys ever try them things at home, but I'm just trying to be creative, Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of my debris, pine skin and salt alike. Alright. Man, this one look beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Man, this one look beautiful, people. Beautiful. Alright. Looks sweet as well. this juice, a lot of pine in it, but the other ingredients I'm putting in gonna get a little different flavor, but you're gonna taste more pine, but that's alright. That's okay. That's okay. Even though a long time I'm not gonna put up no video, but at the time, you know, time against me, man. Time. I'm trying to fix my time properly that I can be able to make some more videos. Yes, my beautiful people. All-purpose kitchen again, you know. I have to taste a piece of this pine, you know, people. My word. The pine is sweet. Sweet, my people. Alright. First and foremost. Okay. Get my board washed off. Alright. Dry it off. Get it back there. Alright. See, people, this is my grape. Look at it. See it? Sweet. The juice are nice. Alright. Now get my tangerine peel up. Okay, the people, look it up. You can try this now. I'm just trying to be creative, you know. I know it can work. I know it will go nice. It's all fruit. You understand, people? Yep. Yep. It's all fruits. And once it named fruits, they can go together. Vitamin C, a lot of vitamin C, people. You know, I get a different little flavor, but you know, it's okay. Long time I haven't seen you, my people. What you all doing? Hope all is well with all of you guys. And this one go. Don't know. Hope all is well, my people. A prosperous new year to you all. I hope whatever you guys endeavoring, you get it. Whatever you're trying to achieve this year, I'm praying for you guys to get it. Alright? Okay, that's my tangerine. Gonna get my ginger. I'm getting them washed up already. Yeah, ginger washed up already, people. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna blend the ginger first and then strain it and get the juice inside the blender with the rest of ingredients, okay? Some people peel the ginger, people, but the skin is also good, you know. Skin is very good, alright? I'm gonna get the ginger blend up first. This blender is very, very, very strong. Blend out the thing fine. You don't have to strain it, but I'm gonna strain it out. I'm gonna strain it, you know. I'm gonna get the ginger blend up now. Okay. Okay. Man. It fine like when I get it strained, I'm gonna show you something, people. Nothing inside of it like trash or anything. The blender blend it so fine. I don't know if it's strain it, but you know ginger, so I want it straight, you know. Get the rest of it tonight. Yeah. I'm gonna use this boiled tea after we finish with this, the trash. Use some boiled tea, you know, it's strong, you know. Not no waste. I'm gonna blend my pine, some of it. Tangerine as well, everything going in the blender one time. Everything blending out and combining one. Yep. Everything combining, you know what I mean? This one drop, now out. Let's go, my people. Yeah. No, I have to strain it still, my people. I have to strain because this blender blends so fine. The blender is very strong. No, I'm not going to get anything much out of it, but you know the grape have seeds, and I don't have no grain of, I don't have no taste of grain in my juice, alright? I have seeds. So, wow, look at the color. Look at the color. Wow, it look like ice cream. Man, it look like ice cream, people, like they call vanilla flavor ice cream. Creamy. Whoa. My God. My God. My God. Look at this. Whoa. Nothing go away now. Come out of this place to fly. Oh my God, it's so creamy and nice. Look at the people. Look here. You not even have to strain me, I tell me people, but you know, we just want to get it smooth as possible. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nice. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Get in the mix. Get in the mix. Get in the mix. Get in the mix. Ooh. Hey! Alright, people, see it? I line up my glass. And I'm going to throw it some night. I'm hoping not throw away. Ah! And people, you cannot drink one glass of this. It's nice. And no sugar not added in the people. Just straight fruit. Just sweeten the fruit, make it sweet. Creamy and nice. It tastes like ice cream. God no. Try this at home here. Like, share and subscribe and tell your friends if you try that juice and see it on YouTube. All Purpose Kitchen do it here. You hear me? I beg you know. Subscribe. Share with your friend. Show them the ingredients and make them know say it can happen. Vitamin C. You see it? Bless upon yourself and my people. And God bless you here. I hope you have a prosperous new year this year. Everything you forget anything you need to achieve this year. Hopefully you get it. God bless you all. Alright? Thank you.